Hello again. Well, today we have to fix something, and that's a really interesting arranger keyboard. It's a Roland E12. I believe it came on the market around 1984, made for West Germany. I believe it's a pretty old keyboard, but I recall this kind of keyboards, they've been really popular in the 90s, 91, 92. I recall a friend of mine was playing this kind of arranger keyboard. The first E series, it was E86, I think, E16 and so on. In fact, I don't know if it's broke or not. We have to check it, we have to put it to work, and we'll see what we can do about. So, let me show you the guy. It's pretty light, I may say. That's the one. Pretty dirty, of course. Look at this sponge here, it's broke. And there are so many other things to check about. The keys feel okay for now. But let's start with checking. Oh, okay, so the power supply jack, it's broke. You see that? You can see it very clear. So probably, look there, the middle pin, it's broke. So probably that's one of the problems. Okay, so that needs to be replaced. You know something? Let's open it up. Let's dismantle the thing. So I have to take all these screws all around. You see, the keyboard is looking pretty good. Amazing good, in fact. That should be enough, because the others are just keeping the keyboard itself in place. Okay, we're good. Don't forget to have a cap like that and to keep all the screws safe. Same kind of screws, this is nice. What about now? Okay, so it goes like this, I got it. Very nice, very nice. You know something? I'm gonna open this guy, take out this connector and this one and the loudspeakers. You know, this motherboard, it's based on the classic SC55. There is from MT32 Roland sound canvas. One of the first, let's call it GS standard synthesizers. Even Microsoft is using GS on their operating systems. Okay, so we got plus, evidently goes to these big capacitors, minus goes to the ground. Let's do some measurements. You see, we have these big capacitors here and we have the minus going here, so that's supposed to be the ground. Funny. Okay, so we have to take care of that. The power supply, it's all the way around, so it's with plus on the outside of the barrel. The inside pin, it's minus. What is this? It's looking like, oh, leaky damage? Not quite. No, that's the way the board is it. No, this is not leaky damage. I don't see any leaky damage here. So let's suppose if we had leakage here, we should see that down on the bottom, but it's not. So that's the way the board is. What can I do? I believe I'm gonna have 2 pieces of wire for now, just to check the functionality. Let's measure for short. This is good. No short. But you know something? I can even take this out because I don't need it anymore. Let me see what I can do later. Okay. Oh, so that is just a cover. Nice. And it's out. Can we fix the middle pin? No chance. Alright, plus, minus. Okay, here we are. Let me limit the current and power on. Yes! Oh, of course, loudspeakers. Yeah, I heard the beep. Pam pam. It's working. Arranger. It's working. It's funny. It's funny. The keyboard, you know, it's very cheap, but I can tell you that I don't like the velocity, but anyway, this can be changed. So the most important thing is the keyboard, it's working, and all I have to do now is to have another port there and to have another test, clean it a little bit, changing the sponge there, and back to duty. This can be a really good keyboard for, you know, for training, for teaching, for kids, why not? But the sound, it's still the same SC55, like I said before, classic Roland, which is not bad at all. I mean, it's still alive. Let me try to find a port. I believe I can use one of these guys. Oh, that's nice. This is perfect. There we go. Beautiful. That's clean. Isn't that factory? I believe it is. Now, let's have this cover back. If it still fits. It should. Yeah. Let's plant it back into the keyboard. This is a standard adapter, 12 volts, 2 amps or something. Now I set it to 12 volts and let me check for polarity, because like I said before, careful with the polarity. Okay, we are on DC. We have the red outside and yeah, 11.99 with the plus on the barrel here, or on the ring. Power on. I heard that clicking noise. There we go, it's working. And I'll do the cleaning later. The most important thing is that it's working. The new connector, it's nice in place. Now, let's see what we can do with the loudspeakers. Oh man, it's wasted, but it needs a little bit of cleaning. It's absolutely disintegrate. I'm gonna have some of this combine. Yup, it's done. Looking good. Like new. And nothing else to do but to have the screws back. Well, I think that's all for today. I have to put the screws back. Here we have a new E12 ready for doing the job. Like I said, it's an old keyboard, but still can be used for practicing, for teaching, for learning how to play piano or arranged keyboard or something. Until the next one, please subscribe to my channel, push the like button down below. I'm waiting your comments too, don't forget, write them down. And of course, thanks to my sponsors, thanks Radu, thanks Vlad from Ante Records, Jack from States, and have fun. See you, bye bye.